Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to order Icai study material online, updated. Go to the Icai site, sign in or register, then open the bookstore section and choose your course materials. Add the items to your cart, check quantities, and enter your delivery address. Select a payment option, confirm billing details, and complete the payment. After payment, save the order confirmation and note estimated delivery times to track your shipment effectively. Create or sign into your Icai account using a reliable email and mobile number, then verify using the OTP sent to you. Populate your profile with accurate contact and billing details to avoid delivery delays. Save your membership or student ID in the account for quicker orders in future. Review stored addresses before checkout and update them if needed so your materials reach the correct location without confusion or return shipments. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy guides. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice as a fun pick-me-up while you commute to study. I've put the link and other deals in the description for your convenience. Thank you for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Choose between printed and digital study material by considering portability, reading comfort, and cost differences. Always review shipping charges and delivery estimates, especially when ordering multiple volumes, to avoid surprises at checkout. Make payments through the official Icai gateway using secure cards or net banking to protect your information. After ordering, screenshot the confirmation and monitor your email for dispatch updates so you can plan your study schedule around expected arrival dates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.